If I had known about this was so cheaper, who would install glass plates on the terraces? In 2024, it will completely replace iron sheets and glass. It is durable for several decades without damage. The installation of a 70 square meter canopy can be completed in just 2 days. It is made of 6,063 aluminum alloy as a whole. It is not afraid of snow and hail. Polyurethane can be filled in the middle. It is both ventilated and breathable, as well as sunshade and rainproof. If you are interested and need samples, please contact me.